Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have found the perfect cooler for summer.
This Viva 14 quart cooler from Cubix Outdoors is such an amazing cooler. They have put so much thought into this design. It holds so much. It is designed to hold 14 cans, and I love this adjustable strap on the cooler. It is so convenient. It has a nice rubber shoulder pad, so it is comfy to use and it really makes using this cooler so efficient. I really appreciate how it's adjustable, and I love the design of this. The inside has really great capacity and it has amazing ice retention. I really love all of the attention to detail they put into this with these rubber pull down straps that have bottle openers included. And the way they work, they really keep your cooler nice and sealed. I really loved taking it camping. It was the perfect companion and it kept our drinks frosty cold.
Stay cool this summer and get this Viva cooler from Cubix Outdoors. I think it is the perfect cooler for summer, and that's my point of view.